Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks. From the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee, available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And if you're interested in private reading, naka 30% discount tayo hanggang March 20, 2024. So lahat ng information nasa description, andyan din yung link kung paano kayo makakapag-book. Okay, let's see, Cancer, what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks. Okay, solar flares, activate. Madalas to lumabas. Oo, so maaring marami kayong mga parang marirealize, no, in the next 2 weeks. Like, something na gusto mong bigyan ng attention, ng focus. Doon ka mas magiging very much interested. You will be working with your passion, no? Kung saan ka passionate. So, maaring meron kang marirealize na abilities, interest, saan ka interesado. You also have the 9th house, exploration. So, some of you are going to learn something, merong higher education. Some of you ay mas merong i-explore na may kinalaman sa spirituality ninyo, sa religion, spiritual beliefs. Some of you naman, this can mean travel opportunities in the next 2 weeks. You're going to explore. So, pwede tong, bakasyon. You also have the energy ng Taurus, which is about cultivation, taking care of yourself, focusing on your on self-care, self-love, and also your money, no, yung pera. So, maaring in the next 2 weeks meron kayong asikasuhin related to your career, your yung mga income ninyo, no, kung ano yung mga pinagkakakitaan ninyo. Meron kayong you are going to grow something, no, meron kang pauunlarin. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may magkakaroon ng interest or talagang meron na kayong interest, no, sa paghahalaman. Oo. May kinalaman sa farming, ganyan. So, you will explore yung opportunity nyo for that. So, this is your overall energy. 9 of Swords. Overthinking, overanalyzing. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring nagkakaroon kayo ng difficulties in sleeping, no? Marami kayong iniisip. So, kailangan rin ma-manage nyo yung inyong sleeping patterns. Yung tipong umaga na, gising pa rin kayo. Oo. Or maaring yan yung gusto nyong ayusin, i-workout. Lalo na kung ang schedule ninyo pang gabi, no? Gising kayo sa gabi, tulog sa umaga. So, maaring it's also affecting your health, kaya may mga ima-manage kayo sa inyong kalusugan. Let's see your challenge. You have the Hanged Man. Ang challenge sa inyo is pahinga. Kasi parang for you, nahirapan kayong tumigil, mag-pause, no? Pwedeng, you're going to be very busy doing a lot of things. Kaya parang feeling ninyo, kailangan dire-diretso lang yung ginagawa ninyo. So, kailangan din syempre magpahinga. Find time to take a rest. And yung iba naman sa inyo, ang isa sa challenge is maaring meron kayong mga hinihintay na pwedeng magkakaroon pa ng delays at this point, at this moment. So, kailangan dito patience. You have to be more patient sa inyong mga hinihintay. Oo. Let's see your opportunity. Wow, the chariot. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, if you are applying for a car loan, maaring ma-approve ito sa inyo in the next 2 weeks. Yung iba naman, bibili talaga, purchase ng car. Some of you, opportunities talaga to travel. Pwedeng for vacation to, para to relax, rejuvenate, distress, 'di ba? Ganyan. And then, your blessing. What is the blessing? Wow, Four of Wands. Merong celebration. Maaring meron kayong ma-achieve sa anything na project ninyo sa bahay. Yung mga nagpagawa ng bahay, construction, ganyan. Nagpa-renovate. Or may na-purchase kayo na bahay. That's also a blessing for you. Oo. Into properties din kayo. So, pwedeng nasa real estate real estate business. So, pwedeng kayo ay sales agent. Marami kayong mabebenta na bahay in the next 2 weeks. So, there's a lot of celebration within your family or your friends, yung group of people. Ganda. May sense of achievement para sa inyo. Let's see your money, career, finances in the next 2 weeks. You have the Justice card, Libra energy. May mga kailangan kayong asikasuhin, paperworks, documents in the next 2 weeks. Yung iba lilipat ng work, lilipat ng trabaho. Siyempre pag gano'n, no, may mga clearance yan or pag-aasikaso ng mga requirements. You also have the Knight of Swords. Marami kayong kakausapin in the next 2 weeks pagdating sa trabaho. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nasa sales and marketing kayo na you are directly connecting, communicating with your clients, no? Medyo busy, maraming kailangan kausapin. Kaya kailangan daw you bring balance into your life, no? Especially sa career, na hindi puro trabaho. Kaya kayo kulang na sa tulog. Isipin nyo rin na syempre, yung kalusugan ninyo. 'Di ba? May mga tao kasi na straight 2 araw hindi natutulog. No? Mahirap 'yon kasi pwedeng okay ka sa ngayon, kinakaya ng kape or energy drink. Pero meron yung side effect, no, na pwedeng sa ngayon hindi mo pa mararamdaman, but how about in the future? So ngayon, manage your time. Okay, let's see your love life. 8 of Swords. 7 of Swords. Naku, yung iba sa inyo, ang love life nyo medyo alanganin, no? Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo, nasa isang toxic situation or may form of yung iba sa inyo nagbubulag-bulagan, no? Sa panloloko ng kanilang person. Oo. Possible kasi may codependency rito na you are getting some benefits sa relationship pero may kapalit, 'di ba? Pwedeng itong person na to is unfaithful, may iba pang mga connections pero hinahayaan mo kasi this person is providing for the family or may support ka na nakukuha sa kanya financially. But meron kang kakayanan to be on your own, to be more independent kung gugustuhin mo. Meron ditong unreliable, deceitful sa relationship. Pero hinahayaan lang. So, I think this is something na kailangan mong i-reassess about your relationship. Time spent worrying is time spent. So, ito yung nag-overthink, no? Kasi, syempre, gumastos ka pa rin ng panahon doon, oras, sa pag-aalala sa mga bagay na wala pa. It will just bring you stress and anxiety, frustration, intention. What if the only resolution you made was to love yourself more? Okay. So, love yourself more. Kaya rin siguro onset ng reading na to is sinasabi na practice self-love, self-care. Kasi some of you are in a toxic relationship na nagsistay kayo dyan kahit mahirap kasama yung partner nyo. So, ito yung time na asikasuhin nyo naman daw yung sarili ninyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!